Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of mochiphone.com. So mochiphone.com is basically an online shopping platform that is providing you with a product that has got really popular on the social media. As you can see, it is entitled as a Mochi phone and it is available for all the international residents. This product has got really popular and viral over the social media. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. Is it our alleged product or just another overhyped product? So as you can see, this phone is pretty much your childhood dream, that as they have advertised it, because it will keep you distract free from different other social media applications. So now once I try to dive deeper, I got to know the domain name was registered back in 2025 October. So it has been in the market for just about 1 year. So this is a pretty much a new platform. So this is also a concerning thing. And another major red flag is their pressured marketing. As you can see, their sales end in 5 hours and 48 minutes and they are providing a 40% discount without any reason. So this is a major red flag. And once I tried to search for the reviews of the people, I got to know like this is just an overhyped phone and it is actually a refurbished Samsung Folder 2 with a Samsung logo hidden or removed. So this product is just an overhyped and it is also a scam. So in conclusion, I would say like you should avoid purchasing this product from this platform. I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.